Welcome back to Let's Learn C. We are now in phase 2 of Claude's plan, so a little bit of a celebration. We've finished the basics. Pretty keen to move on. Let's move on to step 3. So today it looks like we will be doing... Wait, step 4. New... Let's move on to step 4. It looks like we're doing string reverser. So reverse a string in place using pointer arithmetic. New concepts, pointers, arrays. So we do know about pointers because we grilled the Claude thing before, but I don't know how to use it to reverse a string. So arrays, a null terminator, I don't know what that is. And then there's the stack. We also covered the stack kind of briefly. It's kind of like something that C has access to that doesn't need a memory address because it's just sort of in a small cache area, I guess. That's what the stack is in my understanding at the moment. By the way, I'm curious if people know more about this and want to correct or point things out. Please leave a comment. Okay, so project 3 is done, yay, onto project 4, phase 2, pointers and memories. So the insight, C strings are just character arrays ending in /0, okay. Unlike JS, where strings are immutable values, a C, which is an array of characters, is mutable memory on the stack. Hello is stored as HELLO, and then this ending thing. Reversing in place means swapping characters using 2 pointers walking toward each other. What? 2 pointers walking toward each other. No copy needed, which is exactly why pointer arithmetic matters here. 2 pointers? So H and O, and then it goes blah blah. I don't know how that works. Your goal, write string reverser C to declare a character with a hard-coded string. Write a reverse function that takes in a pointer to an address of that? I don't know. That reverses it in place, print before and after. So things you'll need, string length from string.header. So let's hashtag include string.header. And a 2 pointer /index approach. One at start, one at end. Swap and move inward and stop when they meet in the middle. Give it a shot. Start with includes and main, then the reverse function. What do you have so far? Okay, cool. Int main, just have it return 0. And I don't like that it formats that automatically, but whatever. All right. So we declare a character with a hard-coded string. So car, can I do that? Original string equals hello. Brackets are not allowed here. To declare an array, place the brackets after the identifier. Whoa, I don't know how to do that. Hello? Do I literally have to do this? Okay. I'm missing something here. Declare a character with a hard-coded string. What's wrong with my character declaration? Okay, so it needs a size or a string literal. Oh, so the... Okay, so the type character is... Wait, so type car is an array without declaring that. A car is a single character. That's what I thought. This is an array of characters. Okay. The square brackets is part of the variable declaration, not the type. So it's read as variable s is of type character, and it's an array. Okay, so the type declaration just works differently from what I'm used to, right? It's at the edge of, it's on the end of the actual variable name. It's not actually saying we're not defining it as a type. Okay, so type original string equals hello. And that does pass linting, so that's good. And once again, I will copy and paste this little spec that it's given me. Oops, new. So that is done. Reverse function. That reverses it in place. Okay. If I choose to declare the function outside of main, can I use it in main? Right, if I declare it above here, and it's going to return, it's going to return a character thing, reverse, that takes in character pointer s function to declare an array after the identifier. Reverse function cannot return array type. What a dude. Okay, so I'm clearly missing something about the syntax here. Where does the array bit come into here? And I'm avoiding looking at documentation just because I want to see if I can just learn everything from AI. This might be really frustrating to watch. I'm sorry if that's the case. If anyone's watching. Okay, so when you pass an array into a function, C automatically converts it to a pointer to the first element. See, how was I supposed to know that? How was I supposed to know that? I didn't know that. All right, session 6. Pointers. When you pass an array into a function, C converts it to a pointer to the first element. So if you're declaring a reverse function that takes in an argument of a character array called string, it's the same as declaring a reverse function that returns character that takes in a character pointer to the first element. The compiler treats them the same. Inside the function, S is just a pointer. There's no length info, no array bounds. This is called array decay. Array decay. A core C behavior. The brackets in character original string matters at declaration, tells the compiler to allocate space, but once it's passed to a function, that size info is gone. It's why C functions that take arrays almost always take a length parameter too. Yeah, okay, that's weird. Since you're reversing in place, you probably want void, no return value needed. My plan is to write this function that returns the value and then call it from main. Because it's saying that it doesn't need to return, but the way I think, I don't know, I've been trying to really do as functional as possible. Okay, char as a return type means one character. Exactly, that's kind of why I did this, right? But then that's not working. To return a string, you need char pointer to the first. This is crazy, dude. Pointer to the first character of the array. Since you're reversing in place, you just return the same pointer back after modifying it. Then in main, you can do printf blah reverse original string. Here's what I don't get, right? So that reverse affects the return type. I guess I'm just thinking about this in the wrong way, right? Read it as this function returns a character pointer to character, and it points to the first letter of something. Oh, okay. Why did it tell me not to do that? I want to do it like that because that makes more sense to me, right? It returns a character pointer. Okay, but it points to the first string, the first letter. So a C string is a pointer to its first character. Oh, shoot. Okay. A C string is a pointer to the first character. It then goes until it finds that. I see. So when you pass character S around, you're passing this address. I see. Okay. Pointer to S. So basically the pointer to the first character pretty much always signifies the entire string. It just, whatever library function reads that stuff, it just keeps going until it finds this end thing here. All right. Kind of a interesting thing I've just learned there. Coming up on time, so I might cut the video here. We didn't get much done, but we learned a lot, I think. Cool. If you found this interesting, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.